This is the permanent site of Nnamdi Azikiwe University Teaching Hospital in Nnewi. So many years ago, about 30 years or so, the temporary site of Nnamdi Azikiwe University Teaching Hospital was built in Nnewi. After some years, the place started getting overcrowded due to increased demand and the fact that the temporary site was built randomly by individuals, so it was not well planned. That brought about the need for a new site and the relocation of the hospital to a spacious and a serene environment. After so many years of searching for a new site, a large expanse of land was discovered within Akamili Umudim Nnewi axis. The place was finally approved for the relocation of the hospital. So many issues came up, leading to the delay of the permanent site project. But finally, about 2 years ago or so, the hospital project came back to life and work continued at a very fast pace. Some facilities have already been moved from the old site to this permanent site, and more will continue moving as the project keep progressing. This place is so massive and I call it Nnewi Medical Village. So many sophisticated machines will be in this medical village on completion, like the cancer treatment center. This Nnewi Medical Village will contribute a whole lot in the medical sector of Nnewi, Anambra State, Southeast, and even Nigeria in extent.